Keto Buffalo Cauliflower, the game-changing appetizer. Hey there, fellow food lovers! If you're searching for a flavor explosion that also happens to be keto-friendly, you've come to the right place. Get ready, because I'm about to share my secret recipe for Keto Buffalo Cauliflower that will have you ditching those carb-heavy chicken wings for good. What exactly is Keto Buffalo Cauliflower? It's the ultimate guilt-free party snack or appetizer. We're talking about tender cauliflower florets, roasted to perfection, and then tossed in a spicy, tangy buffalo sauce that will make your taste buds do a happy dance. Ingredients: serves 4 to 6 people. Cauliflower, 1 large head, cut into bite-sized florets. Keto-friendly coating. 1-2 Cuban pesos almond flour. 1-4 Cuban pesos grated Parmesan cheese. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1-2 teaspoon paprika. 1-2 teaspoon salt. 1-4 teaspoon black pepper. Buffalo sauce. 1-2 Cuban pesos hot sauce. Frank's Red Hot is a classic choice. 1-4 Cuban pesos melted butter or olive oil. 1 tablespoon white vinegar. 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce optional. For serving. Ranch or blue cheese dressing. Look for keto-friendly versions. Celery sticks. Preheat and prep. Fire up your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit 220 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Mix your coating in a bowl. Whisk together the almond flour, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Roast those florets. Toss the cauliflower florets with a drizzle of olive oil and spread them onto the baking sheet. Roast for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're tender and slightly browned. Sauce it up. While the cauliflower roasts, whisk together your hot sauce, butter or olive oil, vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce if using. The grand finale, toss the roasted cauliflower with the buffalo sauce, making sure each floret is generously coated. Pop them back into the oven for a final 5 minutes to let that sauce caramelize slightly. Tips for Keto Buffalo Cauliflower perfection. Don't crowd the pan. Overcrowding the cauliflower will make them steam instead of roast. Make it your own. Like it extra spicy. Crank up the heat by adding more hot sauce or a pinch of cayenne pepper. Oven versus air fryer. This recipe works beautifully in an air fryer too. Just adjust the time and temperature accordingly. Fresh is best. While store-bought keto-friendly dressings are convenient, nothing beats the taste of homemade ranch or blue cheese. Why you'll love this dish. Flavor bomb. The combination of tangy buffalo sauce with the slightly sweet cauliflower is pure magic. Crowd pleaser. Perfect for game day, parties, or just a satisfying snack. Healthy indulgence. Enjoy the satisfying flavors of wings without the guilt. Super versatile. Serve it with your favorite dipping sauce, as a side dish, or even added to salads. So, there you have it, your new favorite keto snack. This Keto Buffalo Cauliflower is so addictive, you'll be amazed at how satisfying a low-carb dish can be. Want more awesome keto tips and recipes? Subscribe to our channel and let's keep the deliciousness going.